Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Rome, and I'm headed over to Popolo, and it's right through those gates. Let's go take a look. And so this is like the entrance to Popolo from this side. And you have to cross, 3 lanes of traffic going each way. And it's pretty amazing. And it has the big obelisk in it, and it's like one of the biggest squares in Rome. I mean, the Vatican's probably bigger. But this one's pretty wide open and pretty amazing. Wow. But I love this view. You get the obelisk right down the middle, and then you get the 2 mirrored buildings right there on the side. That is amazing. Wow. So let me get down here and I'll show you the whole square. And there's this church right here on the left, which is amazing. It has some Michelangelos in it. And then there's the Museum of Leonardo da Vinci right here. And I think I went to it once and I don't know, it was okay. But this is Popolo. And look at those buildings down there. And there's a fountain. This whole obelisk is on top of a fountain, which is pretty amazing. But now let's look right. And you can really truly see how big this square is. Pretty amazing. And you can see the 2 mirrored buildings. They even have the same mirrored towers and everything else. So they're really, I don't know, it just really adds to this square. But if you go to the far left there's a whole fountain and a statue over there. Can you see all that? And then if you go to the right, there's another statue and a fountain down there. But this is Popolo. Amazing. Okay everybody, that's it. This is a quick video. Bye.